Hi everyone, now I'm in Bandung. So Bandung is a place of art and culture. I've arrived in this Ivory Hotel. I've checked in. So this is the place. So we are off to Hitobito, the Japanese restaurant, for dinner. We're going to walk like about 10 minutes from here. This Hitobito was recommended from a friend from Hash, and I'll be going for the Hash this Saturday. So it has been years I've joined the Hash. It's like home sweet home again in Bandung. So this is the place, Hitobito. So I'm gonna try this. Our burger. So our burger, Japanese style.